Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Is your laptop or desktop Wi-Fi disconnected repeatedly and you are frustrated because of it? If yes, then this video is for you. In this video, I will explain how to fix this problem. So watch the video till the end and follow my steps. The first solution is go to the search bar and search here setting. Go to the setting and click on the network and internet. Then scroll down and go to the advanced network setting and scroll down, go to the networks, reset now. Click on yes. After click on yes, restart your PC and check the problem. If it is persistent, try next solution. Next solution is open your cmd command, search here cmd and click on the run as administrator. Write this command one by one and press the enter. After completing this command, check your problem. If it is persist, then try next solution. Next solution is go to the search bar and search your device manager. Click on it and go to the network adapters. Double click on it and right click on the Wi-Fi adapter and click on the update. Go to the search automatically for drivers and it will update automatically. If it is not working, then next is right click on it and uninstall the device and restart your device. After restarting your device, and the Wi-Fi adapter automatically install and your problem may be fixed. I hope this video is useful for you. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel and say thanks for watching. See you in the next video.